might have a favorite season, but do you have a favorite time of year to travel? For many, the answer to both of those questions would be fall. There's just something about cooler weather, autumn colors, and gathering together at cideries, pumpkin patches, and harvest festivals that's exciting, yet restful. That's how traveling during fall feels. Exciting as you get to explore a new location, and peaceful at the same time, since the summer crowds have dwindled and you're free to experience the destination in beautiful weather without a care in the world. So if you haven't booked your fall trip for this year, or you're wondering where you should visit next autumn, we'll give you a few ideas in this video that aren't your typical fall vacation destinations. At the same time, we'll show you which 6 ways to travel tools is best used for certain types of trips, while helping you decide when to use your membership points or not. And speaking of points, don't forget to save your points by October 1st if you aren't planning on using them throughout the rest of 2024. Need a refresher on how to save your points? Stay tuned until the end of this video. Southern California is probably not on your radar for a fall trip, but we think that SoCal is a very underrated destination for traveling during September to November. While in some locations you'll find locals that call fall second summer, the beautiful and milder weather starting in October is very hard to beat. With humidity levels almost undetectable, you can comfortably wear a t-shirt during the day and pop on a sweater while enjoying cozy, cooler nights. Fall also sees less crowds in many areas of Southern California. You'll feel like you have more room to explore with less wait times for activities and restaurants. Let's take a look at how you can find accommodations from your member dashboard. If you'd like to use your membership points to book your accommodations, head to the RCI Exchange. Let's start by narrowing down the results by month and see what we find. From resorts by the water like San Clemente and San Diego, to available weeks in the desert paradise of Palm Springs, it looks like there are many iconic Californian getaways available, and some are even on sale. If you're still hoping to see fall foliage paired with that gorgeous California sunshine, the Big Bear region will be your best bet. Stay at a lodge near Big Bear Lake and you'll be treated to an array of outdoor activities and endless beautiful views within the San Bernardino Mountains. And that's all within driving distance of the beaches and desert, making Southern California a destination that offers the most diverse day trips you'll probably ever experience. That being said, we'd recommend having a car during your trip. SoCal gets a bad rap for traffic, mostly because of Los Angeles. However, if you really do want to avoid driving in LA, think about flying into smaller airports like John Wayne, San Diego, Palm Springs, and more. We're talking a lot about rental cars and flights, so now would be a great time to remind you that as a Palmera Vacation Club member, you also have access to significant discounts for all things travel through Quest Travel Club. Booking a rental car or flights couldn't be easier. Just click the Quest link from your membership dashboard and start searching. All of your favorite car rental companies and airlines will be featured. Take advantage of all the available filters to customize your search as much as you can. You can even set the durations limit to avoid extra long layovers. The next travel destination we'd like to recommend you visit this fall or next is the Big Easy. We've recently featured New Orleans as one of our top 5 locations that host fall festivals and events worth traveling for. We also have an entire destination highlight for New Orleans, which is a quick and easy travel guide that gives you a brief overview of what you should do when you visit, when you should visit, and where you should stay, while giving you the best insight about what 6 ways to travel are best to use to book your vacation. Those are all found on the Palmera Go page underneath the Help tab at the top of the dashboard. Like many places that receive hot and humid weather during a lot of the year, those who choose to visit New Orleans in the fall are most likely travelers that like to explore places by foot and enjoy participating in outdoor activities. As previously mentioned, another reason that travelers should choose fall as the time of year to visit New Orleans is that their calendar is absolutely packed with fun festivals and events. We'll only highlight a few on the screen since there are so many, but there's really something for everyone, from celebrating food, music, art, and more. So how should you plan your vacation? Start by searching for accommodations on Quest. While there's multiple ways to find a place to stay, such as searching through the Hotels, Weeks, Marketplace, and Homes category, today we'll be looking at the Hotels tab. Here you can use the filters to adjust your search to find great deals on the perfect accommodations for your group. New Orleans isn't the only fall destination loaded with fun festivals and events worth traveling for. Hilton Head's fall calendar of events is jam-packed. If you want to keep your eye on the most updated information, check Hilton Head Guest Services calendar on their website. If you're excited to attend any of these events, or you're truly just looking forward to enjoying the island in beautiful weather with less crowds, there are some options available for booking your trip for this fall or next. You may think it's too late to book, but there's an entire tool within the 6 Ways to Travel that is made for last-minute trips. Smart Stays are discounted weeks available within 45 days of booking. The only option for booking a trip to one of Palmera's 4 resorts that lets you choose between using your membership points or cash. Smart Stays will be what you want to use to book. If you're hoping to add in an extra trip back to the island this year and you're looking to use cash, the VIP Week tool is for you. These available stays are extra discounted and, unlike Smart Stays, can be booked out months in advance. If you're looking to use your membership points to book your next stay on Hilton Head Island, the Palmera Resorts tab is the best option to use. Speaking of points, let's go over how to save your points if you need to do so. Click on the Points Transaction tab at the top of your dashboard and then scroll down to click on the Save Points. You'll be shown how many points can be saved and used next year, and from there you simply click Save Points. Remember, you must do this by October 1st, or your 2024 points are at risk of expiring. As always, we hope you found some travel inspiration and learned more about your Palmera Vacation Club membership in this video. Safe travels!